Please welcome Mr. Ola Klinius.
Thank you, Fred. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's great to have you here today as we're gathering under one of the most legendary logos, the Mercedes star. For more than a century, it's been a promise for the highest safety, excellent quality, effortless comfort, creative intelligence, and of course, iconic design. It's a legacy of its own. As its custodians, we're eager to leverage the world's most valuable luxury car brand and lead it into a new era. And China plays an essential role in this ambition. As the inventor of the automobile, it's also our ambition to move ahead and define new segments. And that's what we're going to do today. We are expanding the top end of our multi-purpose vehicle portfolio and creating a unique segment of its own. More than 10 years ago, we revolutionized the MPV market with our V-Class. And here we go again. Today, we want to give you a good look at our vision of a private lounge on wheels. This chauffeur-driven all-electric Mercedes-Benz Grand Limousine will raise the bar in terms of roominess, comfort, and entertainment. It is the redefinition of space in a passenger vehicle and the reinvention of rear seat luxury. Ladies and gentlemen, our Vision V.
Please welcome Mr. Oliver Turner.
各位来宾、媒体朋友们，大家好。Ladies and gentlemen, the new long-wheelbase CLA kicks off a new era for Mercedes-Benz. It's the most intelligent Mercedes ever, the most efficient car in the segment. It carries the highest and most comprehensive safety standards of a Mercedes EV. And with its eternal yet timely design, the CLA is a true Mercedes in every sense. Not only is the new CLA the cleverest Mercedes, it's a car that truly understands China. Intelligent assisted driving and intelligent cockpit have been primarily developed by our China R&D team.